Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove downloaded songs from Amazon Music. If you've been building up your offline library but now need to clear some space or simply don't need certain tracks anymore, this straightforward process will help you manage your downloads efficiently. First, open the Amazon Music app on your computer or laptop and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface with several options available in the navigation menu. This is where we'll begin organizing your music library and accessing the songs you want to manage. Now direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find various categories. Click on Library, and from the options that appear, select Music. This section houses all your music content, including albums, playlists, and individual tracks you've added or downloaded to your device over time. Next, in the top menu, click on Songs. This will display all the individual tracks you've saved or downloaded, making it easier to locate specific items rather than browsing through entire albums or playlists. The Songs view gives you a comprehensive list of everything you've collected. Although I don't have any saved or downloaded songs to demonstrate in my current library, I'll walk you through the remaining steps so you know exactly what to do when you find the tracks you want to remove. The process is simple once you locate the right song. When you've found the song you want to remove from your downloads, look to the right side of that track. You'll notice three dots appearing next to the song title. These three dots represent the options menu for that particular track, giving you access to various actions you can perform. Click on those three dots, and a menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Delete. This action will remove the downloaded version of the song from your device, freeing up storage space while still keeping the song available for streaming if you want to listen to it later online. And there you have it. You've successfully removed downloaded songs from your Amazon Music library, giving you more control over your device's storage and keeping your offline collection organized with only the music you actually want to keep handy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.